Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the Oneplus Nord CE 5G. On the front, you can see the phone's name. Like this, you can open the box. First, you will get the Oneplus Nord CE 5G, which comes with punch hole display. At the back, the smartphone is packed with a triple camera setup. Also here you can see Oneplus logo. The phone comes in blue-white color. Next, we have this lid. Inside, you will find a SIM ejector tool and documentation like Quick Start Guide, Safety Information Guide, SAR Value Guide, OnePlus stickers, red cable club card from OnePlus. Here is the transparent back cover. Next is a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone and transferring the data. And here is 2-pin wall charger with supports 30 watts of fast charging. So guys, that's all you get inside the Oneplus Nord CE 5G box.
Hello friends, today I have OnePlus Nord CE 5G with me. As you can see, very good looking phone. On the right spine you can see power button. This side you can see volume buttons and SIM tray. Up top, secondary microphone, and here we have 3.5mm jack, USB Type-C port and speaker grills. At the back, phone comes with this matte finish. You can also see OnePlus logo and triple camera setup and the LED flash. On the front, you get 6.43-inch Fluid AMOLED display which has 409 ppi and also 90 Hz of screen refresh rate. For smooth performance, you get Snapdragon 750G processor which works on 8nm fabrication, and for your multitasking, you get 6GB, 8GB or 12GB RAM options. Also for your media storage, you get 128 or 256GB of storage, and for camera, you get 64, 8 and 2 megapixel cameras. 8 megapixel is the wide angle and 2 megapixel is the macro. On the front, you get 16 megapixel front camera in this punch hole, and for battery, you get 4500 mAh of battery which supports 30 watts of fast charging. For software, you get Android 11 with Oxygen OS. So that's it about the OnePlus Nord CE 5G. Thanks for watching.